Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see bubble sort algorithm. So implementation of bubble sort algorithm in Golang. Bubble sort is the simplest algorithm. Let's see how it can be done, and I'm going to use a very simple example. Func me. So let's see what in function we can have very basic things like let's call it ABCD equals to 12, 33, 44, 21, 55, 88, 24, 43, 2, 7, 78, 90, 43, 42. Okay. And print ln, oops, fmt.println, that we can call it as a function called bubble sort. Let's make it B capital. Sort ABCD. Now let's make that bubble sort function bubble sort. In that we can have an ABCD, then integer int and these two steps are very important. I equals to 0, comma, I is less than a length ABCD minus 1, I plus plus, then j is equals to 0, j is less than ABCD minus, here there is I minus 1, so that is going to sort as per ascending order. Oh, okay, I'm sorry, for j plus plus. And then we can have if condition, if ABCD, put that in a bracket, if ABCD is less than ABCD j plus 1. That means actually it swap. I'll show you how it ABCD j comma ABCD j plus 1. This is equal to, we can swap ABCD j plus 1 comma ABCD j. So it actually swapped. We can have a return ABC. Now if we run this, go run main.go, so that has been sorted. So we have used bubble sort to sort this, and it's a very basic algorithm, and which is very least used, but since we all should know how bubble sort works. And do let me know if you have any suggestion for a new video or any new concept you want to know, and do let me know how you can give me a comment if you have any suggestions. Thank you.